Hey guys, Captain Keith here from Clearwater with Captain Nick. We're here at the St. Pete store, and today we're going to bring you some tips about some safety features and things to do with the holiday season coming upon us. So going to be a lot of boat parades out there, and Nick has talked about this in the past, so lay it on us.
Yeah, so a lot of people are going to be decorating their boats with a lot of extravagant lights. Obviously that's going to create a little bit of a fire hazard, so if you're running generators, you might need to use a little bit of load management so you're not popping breakers. Of course, you don't want any plugs exposed to the water where they could dip and get zapped. And of course, when you're up on the boat, especially if you have a fly bridge or one of the larger boats, you want to be careful hanging those lights. That gel coat can be kind of slick. It's not like a house. If you're wearing socks, you might want to be careful as well because you don't want to slip and fall. Now, Keith, speaking of the actual boat parade, you make it that far. You have any tips for being safe?
Yeah, man, I mean, boat parades are a blast, and I highly recommend it. It's fun, man. Get your family and your friends out there. Plan ahead, look at the route, kind of know where you're going to go. If you can do it a day or so before, that way you know the water depths. Visibility wise, make sure you're at the helm and you've got a good clear path to be able to see where you're going and other boats around you. And then also, just probably the most important thing is designate a sober skipper. Make sure that whoever's running the boat doesn't drink anything. Everybody's going to have a good time, get home safe. Then you head to the party, take an Uber, go get your awards and have fun. But boat parades are awesome, man. People love it. Get out there and enjoy this season out on the water.
There you go. You heard it from Santa Claus himself.
Oh, Jesus.
So who else?
All right, guys. So you know the deal. You can check us out online at MarineMax.com. Leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching. See you later.
Bye, guys.